Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: updated iOS, cellular data enabled, and carrier permission. Once done, open settings and go straight to personal hotspot. Make sure Wi-Fi and cellular data are turned on. The hotspot switch appears only when both are active. Tap Allow others to join and note the Wi-Fi password shown. This is what you'll share. You're beginning the connection process now, so keep the phone unlocked and visible while devices attempt to find the hotspot. You now connect the client device. On the laptop or tablet, open Wi-Fi networks and choose your iPhone's SSID exactly as shown in settings. Once selected, enter the password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check characters. If Wi-Fi is unstable, pair via Bluetooth or plug the iPhone into the computer with a lightning cable for USB tethering. USB often gives faster, more reliable access. Keep an eye on the iPhone's status bar to confirm active connections and data usage. You finish by verifying the client has internet and the iPhone shows the hotspot icon in the status bar. If a device won't join, change the hotspot password or toggle personal hotspot off and on to force a refresh. Once done, consider restarting both devices if issues persist. If connections drop frequently, check carrier data limits and signal strength. Moving closer to a window often helps. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, restart the iPhone. This clears networking stacks and resolves most stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.